Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, for this unit is 4 compartment sinks. Let's take the overall sizes first. For the entire length of the units will be 108 inches long. And the overall height is about like 42.5 inches tall. And depth of the unit is about like 24 inches, like 2 feet deep. And we can move closer to see the inner side of both sizes. For this both sizes, it's about like 18 inches in the length, 18 inches in the depth, and 12 inches like 1 feet high. For the 2 holes between the diameters, it's about like 8 inches. We total have 2 positions. You can mount about like 2 faucets for the units. And the gym board, it's about like 16 inches in the length. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.